but I'm just asking in general, do you think isithembu into ebalulekile?
Isithembu sikhona sibalulekile for African men.
Yes.
But for myself, mina umuntu onginaye uyanganelisa. I think I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Mina ngiyakholela isithembini kakhulu.
Why?
Thing is, I'm gonna say this. I've learned in this life, ukuthi, there are many women out there who have accepted ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ukhona ulirato kusala uzozolala endlini. The moment you accept ukuthi there's another person, you understand ukuthi une side chick, so uyamlabela nge-side chick ngoba wena uwife, and then indoda uyayazi ukuthi mayingekho endlini uyena. Officially, literally, make it official. Make it official.
How?
Umama sekhaya. Ngibwa kayena mama partner ya how. The moment she understands gore khona le makhwapheni. And she didn't leave.
Okay.
She didn't leave. Aker watseba gore khona le side chick. And haya hope udutsi lwena. It means that wamngela ukuthi there's a third person. So instead of ukuthi nimntshontshe lo muntu, ngiyacabanga ukuthi akahlale nawe phansi. Akubuza izizathu ukuthi kungani lo muntu lona ekhona between me and you.
Mina into engizoyisho my sister namanje ngisasho ukuthi it's very much important for African men this thing. I understand. Nami ngiso. Not to say ukuthi sometimes
we are tempted or whatever. I understand where you're coming from.
We understand. But sometimes iyafika lento lena ukuthi akamuthu. I understand. But I think really different, and I believe if you can instill discipline in your life and self-control, then you will see where you're going. But it depends. It's your choice.
Yeah. But mina, I advocate for this team kakhulu. I believe ukuthi men are curious beings, but it goes with discipline and the temptation. It's not like it's not there. Yes, I just believe ukuthi kenzeka ukuthi kube no 70% wezinto zithanda inkosikazi yakho, and then i-30 iyamhlula. So maka khona umuntu lo zintshontsanayo okula 30%, maka ezoyigcwalisa 30% sekunika 100. That's me. Men are curious beings. The moment a woman finds indoda icheater abese yahlala, should sekamkela ukuthi ube nomunye umuntu unless she left. Remember, it's a matter of choice. But if uzohlala wena uhamba you advocate labanye abafazi ukuthi okusalayo uzobuya, sewamngela ukuthi nomunye umuntu mlethe ekhaya, so that singazolokho sixabana. Ngiyazi ukuthi mawungekho la endlini ukuyena. Period.
I right yona lento le, but ubhlungu kanjani ukuthi indoda ezoletha ukugula endlini.
That's the thing. Kodwa makune yazi this is what I don't like. Isikhathi esiningi indoda mayihamba iyozintshontsha ngaphandle. Uzozintshontsha nomuntu. Lo muntu lo uyazi ukuthi le ndoda ishadile and uyazi ukuthi akuna future la.
Nora less indoda mayemtshelile ukuthi mina ngishadile kuso.
Maka
lo muntu uzoyenza into right, but if angamtshela ayazi yena sifindela out lo muntu lo uzoyenza amanyana
no lalela dali wami. Ngizokwenza umzekelo, uyeza kumina uzongishela ungitshela ukuthi ushadile. Right? Ngiyazi ukuthi siyadlala. I'm not gonna invest anything to you. Ngizohamba nami ngibe nabanye ama partners because of awuyena umuntu wami. And mangihamba mina ngiya ngaphandle, it's easy ukuthi ngikulethele ukugula. Umama ekhaya akugulela into angayazi. But if uze kumina ngingumuntu wesifazane, wafika wangitshela ukuthi ushadile, wangitshela ama intentions wakho, futhi nami uthola ukuthi ngiyavuma ukuthi I want to be part of it, I know ukuthi I should invest here. I don't know if I make sense.
I know you make sense.
But if ngiyazi ukuthi uze kumina ungitshela ukuthi kunomama sekhaya akunama intentions siyadlala, so I can always dlala with other people. Bese ugulisa ingane yabantu. Yabo ukuthi why ngithi mina ngiyakholela isithenjeni.
Okay, what if mina ngize ngale plan yokuthi ngifuna isithembu ke?
Yeah. Ufunisa mina ngisho khona ukuthi if uza kumina wena ushadile, irikiza meho ibeka sitswana.
Ngitla ka sithembu utshwara gantli. Mara ngitla kere kenyesi kena la mosadi.
Exactly.
Utlalo dlala.
ke tla investa ka wena ke tsebe gore gona next
rapusha etswe mo dilong a nyetse tswala
love it
tswala nyetse
unless ukholele esithenjini
nna papa ka he utswala
esithenjini
yeah because rena ra bana ba go ga go ntle so but I don't want to follow that trend.
Yeah, no. I loved when you said it's a matter of choice and discipline.
Yeah.
But mina guys, bosisi, more especially nenishadile out there who always say ngiyazi ukuthi uzobuya la ekhaya, ngiyazi ukuthi ukule rado ushaya side chick. Hlalisa indoda phansi umbuzo ukuthi uyasifuna yini isithembu. Mangathi uyasifuna isithembu, let's do it. Ngoba uzolokho ehambe yohwaya abuye asekahwaya kuwena akugulise. You know, Filmon ngiyabonga kakhulu but ikhona into engishilo engikhohliwe mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi you want to share with our people.
Ayo my sister.
Thank you so much. And I noticed at some point yikho ngizame ubreak ice, I could tell that you are really angry of how this industry did you dirty.
I love abasele like I said if you're standing or ntole moyo ne yang wetsang go itsuwang gore everything itle ka mo wena you should know what you're supposed to do.
And then now when things didn't na into ebengikhalela ukubuza yona izinto mase ngasasahambanga ngendlela wena ubuzicabanga ukuthi zohamba ngayo sorry you know ikase baza khona afile mona uwile nana gana gore tlo fella kae dilo tse di yalo maybe ezinye futhi abanye maybe beze kuwena bazokutshela all those things. How did you take that? And have you ever been on the edge of maybe ube nama suicidal thoughts?
No, botlhoko bone ke ile ka bo feel my sisters mo tselenye ya gore ke ile ka ba famous and 1 2 3 as tlole nna all ke bo fitse botlhoko wetse batho ba cruel ka montle they are very hona le batho ba le gore they are very wicked.
Yeah.
There are people who will show you gore yeah khale re batlo go bona le so no na
umuntu azokutshela
yeah like no na gana gore o tlo fella kae. Oh, I understand. But then batho ba so there was once this time mfana o mongwe ke berekisa public phone ke tsekele posters a ke re I famous o itse boy ampisa ngemfela ati araki
nakole ne gona le public phone mo le ba go picture
ambizar kanti nenkauza kwazi usebenzisa phone
what
buya kuma pop stars lento lena what ayina foko ngasithulela ngadlula ebhlungu mina my sister ngibuya emva kweveni yabona kumra kwa veni kiberekela company le cable ba repentance so kumra kwa veni until kilo ba driver go teng until fela I understand but by so doing today I'm even standing. Most of the people ga ba yeme so
I love that
ga ba yeme so mfethu how kawa if no le famous even right now ka o bolela o ska dumella motho o re batho ba go ise o bo ipona ngare ga o sepe o bona gore okay now we choose the easy way out ke tla ja drugs tla ba sibotho o santse o na le life there's still hope. Batho ba modimo o shwela eng ba tlamile be scrape for eng.
I love that.
Disappointed dira ba disappointed ba bona ro motho o tlhagella ba ntse ba re ya ona
manje buya banyise cela ubuye banyenyi ba gote go
ke bua showcase.
I love this. I love this. I love this feeling that you're giving me. Mina, there was a time I attempted suicide before, and mina my brother ngambone emnyango ngisesibhedlela wathi mbongi wena uNkulunkulu cabanga if ubuthi uzama uzibulala bese ungashoni bese uba retarded uhlale ku wheelchair.
Awuhlungu ngaka.
Yeah, athi selfish. Acabangela abanye abantu, you know, and I'm glad ukuthi we are here today.
Yeah, no, me too.
Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much. This was very brief and nice. Watch the space, guys. Filmon Mwikanyan is coming back. Nani nina lapho ngicabanga ukuthi nisibophile izibopho ngicabanga ukuthi le impilo lezi siqhamekeke nani ninenidla imali zabantu lapho lezo mali lezo ziniphilisa impilo zenu lonke kodwa bathi come in address. But anyway guys, ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe. There's something that I loved uFilmon no Sanile bayisho earlier on ukuthi excuse me into ethandeka kakhulu ngabantu bethu soneville support. Nami ngiyasho manje ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu for everything. Nalabo engiyithi mangibacela ngithi ngicela uzohlala naye bangibuza ukuthi ngizobakhokhela malini. Guys, nama ngaholi angikaholi ne guys, manicela ningizwele, but ngibonga wonke umuntu who have given me this opportunity. Ngiyabonga kulabo abastreamayo, ngiyabonga kulabo abasherayo, abakhomentayo kuko konke. Nkosi inibusise, inandisele. Ngithi sesiyaphuma ke manje sesobonana ngelizayo. Ningakhohlwa ukukhomenta imibuzo uzobe ibonwa uFilmoni. Whatever that you want to know, he's here. He's gonna be on the lookout. We are